welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. It's the last Sunday of the month, and it's time to do our monthly mojo tag. So, I started doing this because a friend said she wanted to follow along, find something easy to do to keep her creativity going. So I thought a monthly mojo tag. So far, she keeps saying she's going to join me, but she hasn't joined me yet. So, I'm saying if she's not going to join me, then you join me. It's a fun thing. You'll get 3 prompts that you got to add into your tag and put your tag together, and you'll be ready to go. That's all it is. 3 prompts. Get your stuff together. Put it all on a tag. Be inspired any way you want to. So, for this month's monthly mojo tag, don't forget, if you do one, hashtag it monthly mojo tag on Instagram and YouTube or wherever you post it. The prompts are, you got to use some string, got to use some buttons, and you got to use a sticker. So I saw this sewing machine sticker, and it kind of made me want to go vintage. So I got all my stuff out. Here's my tag. Found some vintage-like paper. I don't know if I want to use this side or this side. I think I'll use the busy side. So, hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's enjoying. I hope where you are, your weather's pretty warm. We've had nice, warm weather here in the Maryland area. So here in Maryland, we had really nice, warm weather, and I went out to take the dogs for a walk, and after I finished walking them, I decided I was going to put them inside and come back and just kind of walk myself. So that's what my glue is now. You know, every time I try to use glue lately, my glue has been just acting up. So I'm going to use a little matte medium and put this stuff down until my glue decides it's going to work for me today. And I'm hoping it does decide to work. So I went walking today, had the best day walking, you know, didn't put on a headset or anything. I just walked and looked around and saw what everybody was doing. It was such a nice day. Everybody was out walking and kind of enjoying themselves, and it seemed a little bit normal. So I was like, oh my goodness. And so I also this week had my, hope this sticks, had my first COVID shot. And all the people who I know have had their COVID shot. It's good. Oh, Jay, I had my COVID shot. It went great. I get my first COVID shot. I get the worst headache ever for a couple of days. The worst headache ever for a couple of days. Didn't feel good for a couple of days, but the 3rd day I was back to normal, feeling pretty good now. Also feeling a little bit, you know, I must say a little bit relieved, because COVID is scary. So I'm feeling a little bit relieved now that I've had my first shot, and I go back for my second shot in April. So I'm sort of looking forward to that, because if I felt that bad on my first shot, I'm thinking my second one may give me a little bit of a problem. I'm hoping this sticks. It doesn't seem like it wants to stick down on this thing here. And matte medium usually does a great job of sticking stuff. I'm having the worst time getting this to actually stick down here. Okay. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. There we go. Doesn't look like it's sticking, does it? No. Let's put a little more matte medium down. Now I think I put too much down. See, I'm always doing either too little or too much. But at least I got it sticking down after 15, 20 minutes. After 15, 20 minutes. So, anyway. So that's what happened with me this week. So I'm feeling much better. Hope everybody else is doing well. Trying to get this tag to stick down here. This is the worst Now, usually me and my glue, we don't get along very well, but this one's not doing well for me at all. Okay, so we got it down. There we go, friends. Got that down. I know, I've been like having a hard time with this. Now, hoping my fabric tack works, because I wanted to put down some fabric. Oh, me and glue this time. I've been having, in my last few videos, me and glue have been having the worst times getting anything stuck down. Just anything stuck down at all. So I haven't been having the best of time with glue. So I'm going to stick this down like that. Put right there. And when I put this down, I'll put this down because I liked it. Now, let's see if I can get a bead of glue going down here. A nice bead right there going down. And so it's supposed to be something. These tags are kind of fun to make, brings out your creativity, kind of keeps you going so that you just got yourself into a point where you just keep going with your creativity. You don't want to, sometimes you don't want to do a whole bunch of something, but you want to do something because you don't want to get to the point where you stop completely crafting. Because for me, crafting is something that relaxes me, and I get to feel really relaxed and really happy when I'm crafting. So that's what this was supposed to be for me and my friend. Nice and relaxed. So I got to put a couple buttons down. Let's see. Buttons. You know, I got this whole thing of buttons that I have. I'm sure everybody got some buttons. So everybody got some buttons somewhere. And I like this where it says men's sweater, and then you have this kind of a chunky thing right there. I thought that was pretty cool. And in here, I want to add a piece of my string, my biggest piece of string. There. Got that going in there. And I want to get my sewing machine. I think I want to put my sewing machine up to be dimensional. I should have took my things off earlier. Now I got, first the glue wasn't sticking, and now my hands are sticky and the glue is sticking to everything. This is supposed to be a fast process, but today, my friends, it is not a fast process. Not a fast process today at all, because me and my glue are not working. We're not working at all, me and my glue. So tomorrow is Sunday, and I got a lot of stuff around. Have you ever had one of those Sundays where you kind of wish you had a day of rest or something like that, but because you put off everything that you were going to do on Saturday, because you didn't do anything on Saturday, and I just rested most of the day because I kind of don't feel up to par, but not sick, just kind of off kilter a little bit. Could be because I'm tired or something, but I feel a little off kilter. And the other thing that happened when I came back from my shot, I was so wiped out that I got back about 2 o'clock, I think. I told my daughter, because she took me, that I was going to lay down for a little bit and get up. I didn't get up until the next day. So I want to put that here, like that. It's my sewing machine. Got some thread there. Got that like that. I got another piece of this. So I want to put a button down there. I got another button. Got another button. And in between that button, I want to put my other piece of string. So there's my other piece of string right there. So this is my tag. Let me see if I can. So that's my tag. Hope you can see it. There it is. Please stop being crooked. That's my tag. And if I could get my crocodile to work, I want to put a hole in it. So if I find my well, crocodile's not working. But anyway, I'll stick a hole in it there. Let's see if the... Oh, I'm all messy here. Let's see if my hole works. Because it didn't seem like it punched it very well. Well, it did. There it is. There it is. So I got the hole in it. And got some more brown that I want to just put through it. So get that done right there. I think I'll have my tag done. So let's thread this through. I always have a hard time threading stuff through. Come on, go through there this time. There we go. There we go. There we go, tag. There we go. Put it up there like that. Like that. And I want to trim up the ends. And there you are. That's my tag for the month. Oop, I got glue stuff all over the place. So that's my tag for the month. And the prompts are, for the monthly mojo tag, you gotta have some string, gotta have some buttons, and you gotta have a sticker. So this is a dollar store sticker. So that's my tag for the month, for my monthly mojo tag. Please join me in making your tag. Do yours any way you want. I was just feeling a little bit of vintagey and got that inspiration that way. So thank you for joining me, and I will talk to you soon. Oh, let me show you. Let me get down there so you can see it much better. There it is. That's my tag. So don't forget, thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing in my channel, press that subscribe button, press the bell on the side so that you will be notified when I put up a new video. Don't forget, it's the monthly mojo tag. That's the hashtag. The prompts are a piece of string, button, and a sticker. And I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe. Be the reason somebody smiles. Bye, everyone. Have a good week.